Hi, I'm Mr. Levier, and I'm here at Signal Hill at St. John's, Newfoundland. And here is where the first radio transmission happened between Cornwall, England, and here in Newfoundland, St. John's. Giuliano Marconi was the man. He was an electrical engineer, and he was from Italy. He was working on an amazing idea to be able to transmit information through radio waves. So he transmitted from all over the place. He traveled around the world experimenting, and of course Signal Hill is famous for the first cross-Atlantic signal. The first long-distance radio transmission. In 1895, Italian inventor Giuliano Marconi built equipment and transmitted electrical signals through the air from one end of his house to the other, and then later from the house to the garden. These experiments were, in effect, the dawn of practical wireless telegraphy, known today as radio. He was initially interested in contacting ships, but his work led to a communications revolution. Marconi believed that radio waves would follow the Earth's curvature, making communication to ships at sea feasible. And he designed an experiment to prove his idea. If successful, the experiment would promote the relatively new technology and Marconi's company to a worldwide audience. This was to be the first transmission of a wireless message across the Atlantic Ocean. Marconi constructed a transmitter at Cornwall, England, and another at Cape Cod in Massachusetts. When a storm damaged the poled Hugh antenna, it had to be replaced by a smaller one. Marconi decided to change the North American location to St. John's, Newfoundland. A storm had destroyed the Cape Cod station. In December 1901, Marconi assembled his receiver at Signal Hill, St. John's, nearly the closest point to Europe in North America. He set up his receiving apparatus in an abandoned hospital that was constructed along the cliff facing Europe on the top of Signal Hill. High winds caused considerable problems as they attempted to keep the antenna aloft with balloons and kites. He eventually managed to raise an antenna with a kite for a short period of time over a few days. Accounts vary, but Marconi's notes indicated that the transatlantic message was received via this antenna. The Ingenium collection in Ottawa, Canada, provides a glimpse into the evolution of Marconi's technology and the Canadian Marconi Company's role in developing and manufacturing these technologies in Canada.